welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. New Loakyukta B Sudarshan Reddy praised SAFE while commenting on amendments in Lokayukta Bill 2013. Says it's premature to make suggestions. Says punishment for bogus complaint must. Shigmo politics in Kepe 2. 3 Shigmo Samitis fighting for slots to host cultural programs. Group stop CM's car. Collector distributes time. BJP eyes both seats of Lok Sabha in Goa. CM says Christian MLAs happy in BJP. Clear hints of conquering South Goa. New Mayor of Panji, Suren Furtado meets CM, tells him to forgive and forget entire election controversy, pitches for development of Panji. Depot Sports Club misery continues. Pylon Arrows humble 5 times league champions. Depot suffer 5th consecutive defeat. And Oxford Marines set final date with Goa Police in Sange Cricketers 2020 tournament. Now the news in detail. Goa's newly appointed Lokayukta retired Justice B S Reddy has said that it is premature for him to judge the extent and magnitude of corruption in the state, but all efforts would be made to ensure that the menace is curbed. In an interview to news agency PTI, Reddy said that it is too early for him to make any suggestions about amendments in Lokayukta Act. He has supported strong fine for bogus complaints.
Reddy was sworn in as the first ever Lokayukt for Goa on March 16th by Goa Governor. Amidst opposition from political parties like Congress, he has started functioning from April 5th onwards, responding to the possible amendments to Goa Lokayukta Bill 2013, which has courted controversy for 2 of its objectionable clauses. Reddy said that it is too early to make any suggestions. Reddy also expressed his opinions about the controversy about certain clauses in Lokayukta Act. Personally, I believe that institution of Lokayukt should be people-friendly, but at the same time all possible steps may be taken to avoid frivolous, vexatious and speculative complaints initiated with personal motives. Reddy said that the efforts would be made to ensure that cases are disposed of expeditiously, as he does not believe in keeping the matters pending without any justifiable cause. On the deem rejection clause, Reddy commented that he don't believe that the report of Lokayukt would be casually dealt with by any of the public functionaries, whosoever high they may be. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Kepe Shigmotsav Samiti are on a ego ride, and the celebration slated on April 8th has been marred in controversy. 3 Shigmo Samitis in Kepe, government-approved Lok Seva Sangh, MLA Babu Kavrekar's Navayug Vikas Manch and Dev Sports Club are fighting for the slot and hosting of cultural programs. The members of these Samitis blocked CM's car on Saturday. Later, District Collector had a meeting with all these 3 Samitis and managed to break the deadlock by distributing timings of programs among them.
Shigmo parade will happen in Kepe on April 8th. Government-approved Lok Seva Sangh would be hosting the programs on this date. Babu Kavrekar's Navyug Manch and Dev Sports Club program schedule clashed with the Lok Seva Sangh's chart on 6th, 7th and 8th of April. This led to tussle between these 3 Samitis. On Saturday, Samiti members blocked Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on his way and asked for an intervention. CM advised MLA Babu Kavrekar and others and directed District Collector N.D. Agarwal to look into the matter. Samiti members held a crucial meeting with N.D. Agarwal on Saturday afternoon. Meeting decided to evenly distribute cultural programs within these 3 Samitis fighting for Shigmo.
Both the groups are agreed to share the common stage in municipal garden One group we have the program up to 6:30. Second will start after from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So both the day program like this. So which was the tension was there. I think by this solution it will be sorted.
Lok Seva Sangh and Babu Kavalekar's Navyug Vikas Manch have agreed to the terms set by the collector.
ना अशें कांय जाल्लें नाशिल्लें डिसिजन आमी पयलींच लेटर दिल्लें की आमी 6-7-8 शिगमो करतले म्हूण पूण आतां सीएमान येवन सांगलें की दोनूय ग्रुपान 2 टायमार शिगमो करात जावं प्रोग्राम आयज आनी फाल्यांचो करात तेन्ना आमी एग्री जाले आनी तेय एग्री जाले की 2 टायमार 2 करपाक कित्याक बरोबर 2 प्रोग्राम केले जाल्यार लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक शकता लोकां मदीं एक दुबाव जावपाक शकता सो 2 प्रोग्राम 2 टायमार जाले म्हणटकीर शिगम्याचे जाले अशें जालें.
ओके तुमकां कितलो टायम दिला?
आमकां 3 ते 6:30 पर्यंत टायमींग दिला आनी आमी 6:30 म्हणल्यार आमचो प्रोग्राम आज कवर करतले. तसो फाल्यांचो प्रोग्राम एक्चुअली आमगे 7 सुरू जावपाक आशिल्लो पूण आतां कलेक्टरान सांगले त्या प्रमाणे आमी तो प्रिपोन करपाक पळयतात 3 3:30 आनी 6:30 पर्यंत आमी कवर करपाक पळयतात आनी 8 तारखेक आमची रेग्युलर फ्लोट्स आसतलो विथ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम.
Meanwhile, Lok Seva Sangh forcibly tried to erect the stage required for programs at Kepe, that too without any permissions from the municipality. Municipality tried to confiscate the material, but CM intervened and resolved the matter.
आम्ही ऑलरेडी 6-7 आम्ही ऑलरेडी नवी विकास मंचा आम्ही स्टेज दिलेली आणि 8 तारखेर गव्हर्मेंट ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे आणि आमदार आमचे MLA सांगले म्हणून आम्ही त्यांना 8 तारखेर आम्ही स्टेज दिल्ली पूण हे केपें लोकोत्सव संघ म्हणतो 6 आनी 7 तारखे जबरदस्तीन आमी स्टेज घालपाक लागले की आमी तांकां दिली की नासलेली स्टेज
म्हणून तुमी लॉक मारले
म्हणून आमी लॉक मारले. आमी हरशीं काडपाचे पूण CMा उतरा लागून आमी ओगी रावले की CM कितें तरी तोडगा काडटा म्हणून नाजाल्यार आमचे हेंची सगळे पेंडल खुर्च्यो सगळे जप्त करपाक आसलेले.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Bharatiya Janata Party has made its intentions clear to win both the Lok Sabha seats in Goa. CM, while eyeing South Goa, made a clear statement that BJP has a number of Catholic MLAs and leaders and all are working in harmony. The party did door-to-door campaign on Saturday on their foundation day.
Party has grown from strength to strength. आणि आपले तत्व घेऊन फुडें सरल्या. कोणें कितें म्हणलें सुद्दां जाल्यार I can tell you that this party has a lot of character and feeling for the people, unlike other political setups which mostly are corrupt and they are in the politics only to make money. पैसे करपाक राजकारणान हें तत्व आमच्या हातून शिकयलें. आतां कित्याक दुर्दैवान समाजूच जर तूं सगळो वांकडो तिकडे वागता जाल्यार एकदां पॉलिटिकल सेटअपानूय काही वांकडे तिकडे वागणारे लोक आसतात पण ह्या पॉलिटिकल सेटअपान वांकडे वागणाऱ्याक हें नासतना की पक्ष गोंयान आसा तो सगळ्या दिशेन वाडला फ्रॉम ऑल एंगल्स. दे नाव मुस्लिम्स, कॅथलिक्स and Hindus, all three working together. And म्हाका एक बरें दिसता की this is the beginning where probably in Goa there is never a religious disharmony, but there was a clear political divide on religion line. म्हणजे झगडी ना पण राजकारणान खंय तरी हिंदू कॅथलिक सेपरेट आसा अशी एक भावना परत परत येताली. BJP ती म्हाका दिसता पयल्या एपा बऱ्यापैकी डायल्यूट केल्ली आसा. The first time you will find that there are more Catholic MLAs with us than Congress, and they are gelling well with the Hindu MLAs. So I think there is a political harmony which is getting established.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.